Psychology shows that everyday habits often reflect deeper mental patterns. Keeping a clean and organized space isn't just about discipline or aesthetics. In many cases, it reveals how a person thinks, processes information, and manages their environment. Here are 5 psychological traits commonly found in people who keep their house clean. 1. Strong cognitive control. People who maintain a clean space often show high levels of self-regulation. Psychology links organized environments with executive function, the brain's ability to plan, focus, and control behavior. Keeping things clean requires consistent decision-making and delayed gratification. They don't just act on impulse, they manage it. 2. Low tolerance for mental clutter. For some individuals, physical clutter creates mental noise. Psychology shows that highly aware minds are more sensitive to distractions in their environment. A messy space can interrupt focus and reduce cognitive clarity. Cleaning becomes a way to restore mental order. 3. Future-oriented thinking. Maintaining cleanliness requires thinking ahead. Instead of leaving things for later, these individuals anticipate future inconvenience and act early. Psychology links this to long-term thinking and planning ability. They don't just react to problems, they prevent them. 4. Need for control and stability. A clean environment provides a sense of predictability. Psychology suggests that people who value order often use their surroundings to create stability in an unpredictable world. Organizing space becomes a way to reduce uncertainty. It's not just about cleanliness, it's about control. 5. Attention to detail. People who keep their house clean often notice small inconsistencies others ignore. Psychology links attention to detail with higher cognitive processing in certain areas. They don't overlook disorder easily. Their mind naturally tracks what's out of place. Psychology makes one thing clear. Keeping a clean house isn't just a habit. It's often a reflection of how the mind operates. Control, clarity, planning, awareness, attention. What looks like a simple routine may actually reveal deeper cognitive patterns. Do you feel more focused in a clean space, or does it not affect you at all?